In this video, there's a platform that I've been using a lot that's kind of transformed my business and also helped us make a lot of business decisions, especially during the pandemic and going forward. And that is a software called Happierleads. And imagine being able to just kind of peel back and see who's actually visiting your website, how often they're visiting your website, and who else is in that company that you might be able to reach out to and potentially do business with. Now, the big thing for us and for me specifically is this reveal feature. And this is going to show you what websites are actually visiting your website. So we have your domain, the last time they visited it, the activity level, the duration they were on your website, the number of visits, visitor location, any tags that you put on there. So maybe it's a hot prospect, somebody I've already spoken to, I need to follow up, whatever it may be. Your industry, the employee range, this is just data it gets, and any webhooks and some additional data in there, which is great. And you could filter this down. So if you get tons and tons of traffic, you could filter this down and say, hey, I want to just pick out certain revenue or how many, they picked out a certain level of pages, whatever it may be, you can go through and you could really narrow it down. But for the sake of this, I want to just show you guys what this looks like because this has been huge for us. So right off the bat, you see the DSI group. Now I'm going to let that load up here. You have the name of the company, right, and Development Solutions, kind of what they do. The estimated revenue, 10 million to 60 million, private company. We have your industry, your sector, where it's located, any comments you might want to add. And then down here, we have the best information possible. So we have their IP address, where they came in from. So they came in from Google and they visited this website. They were on this website for 1 minute, 7 seconds, and then they visited again for 7 more seconds. But here's the magic. So this is constantly refreshing, and it's trying to grab as much information as possible. So imagine being able to just target and say, I want to go speak to the senior project manager. Maybe you're selling the software. I want to speak to, business development manager. Maybe you sell a CRM. I don't know. But whatever it is that you sell, you can directly reach out. Chief financial officer, managing principal, right? I'm in digital marketing, so I probably want to go speak to their digital marketer in here. We have project superintendent, whatever it may be. It'll even label who the decision maker is. So you can either add it to HubSpot or Pipedrive. They also integrate with a bunch of other stuff, but this is huge. And a lot of people say, I want to go speak to the decision maker. I want to speak to the person who has the ability to either buy or write the check for my services. And that is exactly what this software is doing. It's giving you the opportunity to go in and target that key person. And that's going to be the big difference between this and just not having that data. So we're going to dive into a couple more bits of this software because I think it's really, really cool. They also have another thing called Prospector. I think Prospector is, once again, worth its weight in gold. Now, in here, you have Prospector. So you can go through, you can see their full name, job title, company, seniority level, department, or in this area, I like companies. I think companies is way better because a lot of people, especially in the business to business world, you're going to go out and you're going to target those companies. You can go through, you can find whatever company it is that you're looking for in here, and you can create lists out of it. So if you want to go find, maybe you're prospecting for employee range, 1 to 50 employees, we can go through headquarters, right? Maybe you want to deal with somebody in a certain country, In-N-Out Burger, that's pretty cool. United States, we'll just type it in there. And you could just keep going and narrowing this information, right? So maybe I want to find SaaS companies. This is great. So now I am going to get a list of companies that are between 1 and 50 people that are in the United States and that write software for whatever they decide to write software for, but they are a software company. So I'll use the first one, NumXL, add it to a list that we can create. We can go through, we can create a list. So in this case, I'll just do demo. I'm just showing you guys what I do on this thing. We'll save it. And now it's saved to that list. And we can go through, and we can go through as many of these as we want. Alexa ranking, revenue. We could just keep drilling down. But this software is just next level. If you want to go, you want to take a step further, we can go through, we can enrich these people so we can find data by a domain. Let's just use, it's going to go out and find all of that information. So now I can go through and say, oh, okay. I don't know who any of these people are because I don't have any intentions of working with Chick-fil-A, although that would be nice if they hired me. But you can go through, you'll actually be able to see all of this data, and the list is gigantic. They're constantly working on them all the time. So in here, you have any emails that you want to connect, And you can send emails through here too. It's amazing. You can connect your CRM. So you got softwares like MailChimp, Pipedrive. The list just keeps going through it. So if you're like, oh, I don't really know, go visit them online. It's happierleads.com. I will leave a link down below for you. But it's just an amazing, amazing software. It allows you to do way more than I ever thought it would. And just being able to see who's visiting my website, being able to pick up my cell phone and call these people and say, hey, I know that you're on my website. This is what I provide. Or if you want to get crazy and you like to do either cold email or warm email campaigns, you can grab all that data and start marketing to these people over and over and over again. It'll be your data. You choose how to use it and leverage it to make your company succeed online. So that's what this video is about. If you guys are curious, you guys have any questions, leave a question down below. I'd be happy to assist in there. Otherwise, check us out online, growth-generators.com. I love you guys. I'll see you guys later. Till then,